madness.
Hello guys, welcome to Tuhin editing, and today I'm going to show you how you can crop any video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So we have a very nice looking hot dog video here in our Premiere Pro timeline, and I'm going to crop this video. To do that, first go here in the arrow sign and search for effects, and then in the search tab search for crop. You'll see there is a crop option under transform. Drag the crop option and place it on the video clip and go to the FX control. You'll see a crop FX tab, and it has several options. So maybe cropping from the left 5%, 10%, and from the right 30%. So you can easily crop any video with this crop option. So let's get back to the previous position. So there's another way we can crop. To do that, go here and make the screen visibility 10% and delete the crop effects. Go to the opacity and you'll see a free draw bezier or the paint tools icons, and go here, make a rectangle, basically 4 connected lines, and then you can click on one point and crop the video as you want to. You can make many different kind of cropping situation with this as you want to. Creativity and the limit is up to you. You can crop like infographic style, maybe you will add text here. So basically you can add more dots and make more points and create and crop as you want. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.